Welcome back, everybody. Happy New Year. Here's Desert Fox on frame. I'm behind the camera, and we are going to open up a Commander X16 package here from TexElec. We have the Wavetable card and
MIDI card.
And I believe a hat for one of those, right?
It might be. I can't remember. So we shall all find out together.
Surprise.
So let us go ahead and open this. Get this out of the way. And here's the package slip.
There we go. That'll help.
Let's look and see. So we've got a X16 dual MIDI wavetable, high profile, with and a breakout board. That's what I got, and a breakout board. So let us take everything out the package. First, I'll just take them out.
There's your hat, or whatever that's called, card hat.
Oh, yeah, there we go. All kinds of things.
It's Christmas in February.
Yeah, let's see. And a cable.
And a cable.
And that's everything in the package. So now we'll open it up piece by piece. First thing I'll start with is the card itself. This is the MIDI card. All right, let us see. MIDI card also comes with.
Center that more. There we go.
Two MIDI, two cables, and it is here, let me turn it this way. X16 dual MIDI wavetable card. And you've got your
Can you hold it up?
switches. Got your switches for setting up the different IOs. You've got a header here for your wavetable card.
Can you put it in front of the camera a little? This camera.
Oh, I don't know which one you're talking about.
That's all right. Not that close. Knocking the light
Perfect.
down here. Tilt it back. There you go. All right. We can tell we're a professional operation
Yes,
here.
sir. And of course, on the back, it's got a lot of information that's needed.
There we go. All right. Next card.
Are you?
Yeah.
Next card. All right. The next is, let's see. This is the wavetable, USB MIDI wavetable header.
All right.
All right. So can you see that? All right. Do you need me to bring it up?
Hold it there and I'll zoom on it.
All right.
There we go. Oh, she's pretty.
All right. It comes with a USB to, what is that, C, I believe, on the back of it. All right.
It looks like a scaled down USB micro. Or
Might
mini.
be,
Yeah.
might be. And this is information on the back. I don't know if you want to scale in on it or whatever you want to do.
There we go. USB MIDI wavetable header information. All right. Looks good.
All right. So we got that. And that goes here. We'll do the, I have to cut this one open. That's fine. We're prepared. This is the Little Dreamer, which is your wavetable synthesizer. It's the SAN 2965.
And this goes on top of.
This goes here. This will
Gotcha.
plug in. That's what's going to plug in. That's going to be your, I don't know if it's your Sound Blaster or not. I don't know. You want me to set it back here? Here, you do. And of course, it's got info on the back. Okay. All right. And that may go there too. And the last thing, I decided when I got this, I was going to get everything. You know, nothing worse than you got it and you go, oh,
I'm missing something.
I should have gotten the other. This is the MIDI breakout board here. Okay,
And that
MIDI
has what,
one,
serial ports on the back?
serial port on the back, and then MIDI's on the front there. Here, I'll let you see
Excellent.
that.
MIDI breakout board.
And that's what this goes with.
Looking good.
All right, and that's it. For use with the Commander X16 dual MIDI wavetable board. And there we are.
And there's our fast and dirty first video for 2025. We'll see you all soon, everybody. Have a good one. Bye.